Alaji Nasiru Akwaba, Chairman Gugufu. We are just counting down 5 days. Jordan near to Aba. From 7 to 5, correct?
Oh, yes. 7 to 5. And no problems. So, Yajidi say, Obibia BP. Na wabon homeboarding abeto abano. Na batwo ehun hyehyeye a wo mo aye no. The best renzo say wo mo koto abano ebetietie na yede akoye nim. Na de bia na me kama asem ya kon ya bontwa ye hyehyia ya feze Ghana fo no adodo ano ama yede asem abetodwa. Na me say ndre ya so in party the National Democratic Congress and your Frank Twini His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na bedi chire Professor Jena na Opokwa Jemai any party mpanyimfo nyina ka abom ehun ni say COVID-19 bibia be ha adwen yi sikasem ene ne yekeka ho nti nhyehyɛ ya anka ya ye wo ye manifesto no mu say ye fa 50% of obi biara okosuapon, be it polytechnic, be it university, suapon biara no ye be fa ne sika no a obetua no 50%. Now wo so etua 50 emwa John Dramani Mahama ban no say boto abama no a enim yara sa amwa no na ode bebo awofo ene school fo no ankasa no ya santena se adwene ho ehunu se ye no 50-50 na ebia wo mo ba first year no ye be disadvantage wo esan se afi no mo be pedai afi no mo be tutonyoma wo mo de be ba school ni ne ekeka ho nti wo mo de John Dramani Mahama say ye to abama no oye president 7th of January 2021 insha Allah sa school for no be course upon that year no or be fa wo mo kanyina first year for and no woman 50 or be fa nyina ama ban etua ama wo na wofo no enya say wo ho be han wo na school for no nso bia na nka sika bia half na awofo no de be ka ho no ye betimi de aboa wo ama wo nso wo de etwitwa wo ho ama school kɔ no ayede ama wofo no nso enya hoto a esefata ezan say coronavirus aba nti etiefuo ene ahwefo nyina wo mo ehwe yen wei eye bibi soronko kra NDC ya trase ya dwene ho ehu ne say sefata se ye beye e de aboa ezan say ye warehemu ewo ne da so wo mu a mo beto aba no esan so ehu mu mobo se bibi sa akosi na se 50% no kra ya fa no ye de ema first year for no a na continuing students no ewo advantage esen wo nti first year for no nyina ade John Dramani Mahama NDC ya ban say ya nyame ya adom na ya ba ya beje sai sika nyina na yen yetua ama wo mo be ko tertiary.
Okay, so confirm say COVID be ko anase just entry point na dia kan de mo show mo like
yen tena say enhwe say John Dramani Mahama ban be ba na COVID no eda so a jinsem John Dramani Mahama ye bida during the Ebola fight no nyoma otumi ye ya esi Ebola no say entumi amba Ghana no o san be ye no biom nti yen hwe say COVID no
o dia no dru ba
oh enye edro de say ya tete say amanfo aman awuro bi astarte ye edro hu effort ba ebi mukura air test ene metie ye say United Kingdom kura o accept edro no bi mienu a mo pese o mo start e use eye edro no keke enhyehyeye a ye de besi o say Ebola wanfa edro ena amba NC Ebola no enhyehyeye no ye sa enhyehyeye no ena ye tere say ye hwe han ama Ebola ye veze corona no entoa so made bia ye mbeka say ehia se ye be bibi ye be boy ye ho boden esia no kwan na Ghana fo enya omofa ahodie ama ohu ahenhan wo mu ama omo akoye omodwuma ama omo contribute to the socio-economic development of our dear country.
Timelines now beside the condition now mo de tare ho no ye COVID, and I'm saying as we speak now ye nya COVID anodru. So does it mean say kopem say COVID ebeyi ni 3 years no ade ebe koso ahwe say additional 8 year or tertiary level no ebe koso ye ye fa nyina ho kana.
I think the message is very clear. Say first years.
No, I don't have a problem.
And yet first years.
The reason was that Esa said COVID abesen ye koma ama ye ho chiri.
Yes.
Onyame anya ya dom, ye anya COVID anu adura. What it means is that the other freshers no, they are going to pay. Is that so?
And I'm catch your pay for so say yen shisha yem ene nyoma ye de atu form. Yen jinti say ebia ebedu the next year na COVID no eda so edinam ha. Womo etete Ghana boy etete wiase afa na nyina Ebola say by wiase afa na nyina then ye etumi si anu amba Ghana. That is what we are talking here. Well, track record will re-justify it and make sure say the corona will not take us to the next year, to the subsequent years. Now, we are going to do everything to block it. Your message is very clear. Sign corona John Mahama said in the first year of the Baba one more aircon to us suku suapon one more de dano or 50%. Sikana omu betu yani or ye chemu fa.
The chamber still exists.
Yes, for continuing students.
And then the funny no. freshers.
That is the plan I hear for corona. If there are challenges, if there are issues, that one too will roll out plans because Ghana for na say yebe sumom. And yebe rolling out plans ebe siuti ama ubia ho ahenhan no na wenya GDA say otimai mu a wenya mampani a odwene no ho. It's very simple.
I don't know party na interested in freebies of late. Why?
The party is not interested in freebies. Your party by philosophy any your fapem actually pepe say you adwene ehia fo ho. Nti wo badwene ehia fo ho so a wo ye nhihye ya obema wo mu a wo wo bi no aboa ama wo mu a wo mu ni bi ni so enye bi. That is our philosophy. It is not about freebies. Who besides a party are interested in freebies now? No, besides NPP for because one more philosophy and this idea end to. That is what they stand for. We stand for say yebeshena in here for, and we did that from inception since our PNDC days till date. Ya two and among who probably I say Ghana for na epese who ebe in high one. Na womunya GTA ewo minor one kasa omutimu. Na ye nyina ya kabomu a contribute ya Ghana abe maya eye krabefe. That is our objective.
But is it worrying or surprising as a party or momonye sa philosophy into almost all those major impactful social interventions that you're experiencing as Omaya, it comes from a party that really does not believe in those philosophy.
Like Oma be example back one because then a bit me my analysis dealing with specifics. That Uncle General.
You free maternal by party MPP you call the buy.
That's what
the latest Mr. Yako
and I say that's what
no, those ones are about
correct. So it is a temporary measure. Okay.
Then fast forward the crime free SHS.
Correct. And free SHS they say woman no buy. And I mean that's fact, Ya kama obiati asiye. First of all, the genesis of the free SHS started from say yetnasi as consultative assembly. Na ya ye mrapon a ye de the fourth Republican dispensation. Sam Rapono a yekotena as consultative assembly omampanyi na nado danko akufo wanko bi because no a member of the Ghana Bar Association womo ka say womo de womo ntimi embetena se ma ya fa butchers market women abetena se say ebehihembra womo entumi enka womo nti womo anko he boycotted it omampanyi former president Kufo ono so ye lawyer wanko bi ne ne ekeka ho Womo tena say as the consultative assembly and omode article 25 years obi biara opese oyo mampanyin ondwene ho say was say ye free education free secondary education eno ne fapem no. Now coming to the implementation even at that time na offer from former President Rawlings womo so started the FQ free compulsory basic education. It is an effort to meet that constitutional requirement because we share constitution man as em raponi mu a eno ankasa kire wo say na emom monye ne kakra nkakra sa na rapon no kire.
So at what point then anka musu so betima free education and my SHS.
At the point now, 2014, 2015, 2016 academic year, John Dramani Mahama started first year for one. and I said, one more school, day school, one more school, ebefi, one more end our school. It was one more school free. That is when we started. And then, yes, I started because your children, your man, ye atuho, as I say, never to me as with the plan. Until the Biameka say NPP Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo delayed the blanket full coverage of free SHS by a year or two. Because John Dramani Mahama a day student, on my year 2017-2018 academic year, or back at the borders and also air become. Now, I feel you're meeting the blanket coverage. Now, Fufi and Twata, and John Dramani Mahama free. So,
specifically, what
let me finish this. Nanado Bay, or started with first year for, not second year. One more na Ankomunya John Dramani Mahama day school no free, and then second year more corner Nanado Bay no mutuai because no more second year. And or first year for one kwana. It was so kakranka with 2 years and not 3 years kwanza. Or to me ebenya blanket coverage of friends and free.
When started with free the same.
With the day students, as simple as that. Day students who are who school every year.
How much were they paying? How much were they paying?
I don't have the details as I speak to you.
So there was a payment?
There was
a payment?
Oh, of course. Now, the Minister of Education, no,
let's agree on this. There was a payment.
And I may say, the Minister of Education, under David now, today, Prempeh, Dr. Prempeh, Matthew Opoku Prempeh. Kayama Ubiati say, Wamubitia, Sikanibia, John Dramani Mahama Kazodi and free SHS. Ye fire budget MPP for I can on in 2017. One more bar by mono. One more befe sika, one more adequate John Dramani Mahama free SHS. So the payment and implementation is a factor. Records, House of Records, Parliament, and the Okowa. Sasamuna MPP for the Kotu. So this is not contestable.
All right, but I know I said
this is not contestable.
Who's open to making candy, but who's all can Uchumu and what does he?
I don't know
what I'm going my fee for now.
I don't know what
Boko camera.
Yeah, what you can do more. If I know I'm a king can free national chairman, and I'm saying now we are competing ideas. Very good. And we are admitting that we can do what we always say we cannot do. What I say. Free SHS is achievable. Free tertiary is also achievable. And as Ghanaians, and you can see a war where I was I didn't even achieve. Yes, I see. If you implement your free SHS genuinely, open your challenges. We cannot sit back and say it's a free tertiary and your challenges. A bank committee must choose along the line. University authorities especially are complaining, but it's a part of the process. So it's a good idea. So those of us are near to bomb free SHS. We need to plus you that more idea, even though there are challenges with the free SHS. That is with any new project via OSHAS. Now, on the counter superior, but young SHS, ya jump poko tertiary. Eske mukakrana.
Kama mame mati efu ejina chiano pay. Awanso. Na mankasa bi okura wa ye adwuma na mame. Mo no pay. Aya dia papa. NDC there ka say.
They believe in social interventions.
NDC representative na ka say.
Nasiru Nkobe.
Nasiru kan wo mu ana ka say free HSS enya possible. 2012 Yoweri Akufo-Addo started so ka cap to 2008. Mu say enya possible. Entimi nye yeda. Mo education minister papa wanyan baby ko ya fa currency Leokra. Osiji say 20 years achi. Yoweri Mahama kra say ono de ono ananum tom and is on video. Was it free HS, countries have started to say Kenya, no one a big problem, so it's not possible. I say President Akufo-Addo added free or roll out free SHS. Now, dire Ghana economy nina, ama Ghana, na so what over 2 billion cedis on fan free SHS. He says so. Now, the General Secretary say free SHS like a Sakawa and you're possible that intimate matter. Nipa who do mu ye campaign advertisement the whole Ghana obi any tia hear that this debate of one of the free access by a go many mas no na say campaign
engo woni mase
oh kwamra
wa kire mu wasi po bi wo ha
kwamra
maybe a kwan omo de nyine omo free access no different from
kwan omo say same was so the figures in me wo me drew am the figures in me man what you say enura na me wo network back so me nkasa ye me nkire ye real program na ba na me ne no NDC dey say oh na ye free na 2015 2016 no obi antua school fees any ade na obi akola bia ya no antua school fees ana obi troubles nti ne headmaster for no mugi esika ne ade headmaster bi say ofrem was kokofo di asem na nkofo eka on ba ya man kola akra ni awofo akra be ka say headmaster for ye gigi esika ne di 2015 2016 ana am say kwa akoma to yem obi anim no krewo me matu no mu ko secondary school 2014 2015 2016 Wesley girls and Abri girls me tia school fees sisi a me no ti hwe me matu e was secondary school Abri girls na presec me tia school fees eye the same ma papa ne maami bia ohwe ye akoda bia wako school
o check yes nkola na fiscal na anyi bibia
e
o me sheda ka say your fees
2014 2015
what check ujin grand lisa
na say the bill number school fees untu tina ha na so ya na akotua o ya the school no man kwala na bill na kwala na de abrewofo na wofo akotua anya kwala bi na adiska obi afa school fees in share the bansem say je kona akotua ana kwala bi ameka nkyere ma me say your school fees ya say etaku what the bill abrew ene kra ba fo yi kra de omu de send ba ayiso. So what are you and this dear Namuye? You have failed the people of Ghana. With this free access. Now, listen, Pabna. Monse de tertiary 2015. And now John Dramani Mahama ya we president. Sabreno. Wo ka kire Ghana nyina ne nkwade akosu. Wo si aban timi ntua wo utility bills mawon. Utility bills, electricity, nsuo, and then ma aka hia won. What's your bank to mean? Utility bills a university need tertiary students who money free or my dear. Now, more man, Omatia. Would you free on some? Would you know? Would you wait free on some? And loan. And Quada, and Kosukua, and Crawford loan agreement, my home. South one be brave, and then you have Chumoma Bosswatch, I hear a new wisdom. President Akufo-Addo ba 2017 ano se sa tertiary yi na abanji free mo utility bills no me tua mamo afem student loan na de mamo no masama tun fast track going forward now ene we one am de mame 20 million Ghana cedis President Akufo-Addo budget for watch out for tertiary students everywhere in this country. 2021. We are first year, second year, third year, one. Why share scholarship secretariat? Say woman porters no mu be no district nyina ne bin see that. Ghana has scholarship, open scholarship ne. Won hia so be ban kran. Wuti Kumase, Bantama sub metro. Office no ho. Wuti Asokwere Mampong, office no district ho. Wuti Bunkugru yo office no ho. Oh,
maybe Kroma
Ahafo office no ho scholarship secretary. Hoy ama krom redane tepa ho.
Ene bo me so be krom
chamba dede. Enti scholarship secretariat bia ni nyina ma tertiary students obia apply. President Akufo-Addo obia apply, Kolebia apply. Na omo apply we are ya ma on scholarship na scholarship na dey ma no wo Ghana card no ana ade bedi ho adanse unhia so obekwa akofa akwabna o man hene se wo fa no na chinchina omra no me guarantee ma na ochina no wakọ ne pension na homigie mu no ya ba ba yire no se wo guarantee ma wo fa ase enti bra na betua ana guarantee dabi na bi ne obi bio uwie a ya san ayen hihye ne se uwie school no 1D 1F we are spring happy. Then school no match with Numa and Nomniade. Yashishani in Adao. Now, and this is what's the day. Almost the first year for no. omu
COVID who choose us.
The first year for
Freshers.
Akufo-Addo graduates no. Akufo-Addo SHS graduates no. And omu no be ma omu dey.
Funny nyina.
Na wonim obi ahun ba onim. Wonim no oni no. On must say na mo di free SHS ba. Chira me Mahama graduates o Ghana ha. Mahama SHS graduates. E chira me bi ya be. You see, baby a yadro ni nye we hu na ese ye be dwene ye be kun we hu. Se mo wa adwene se mo be hwe nkoda Ghana nkoda school ni ade a anka mo ye ne da. Na o se first year
first year
21st na oti abem enyo no no se o man ni sika enu nti yentimi ntua nkwala teacher nursing training enyo no be ka kire se ya windam ni nyina aka dompe enti no ye ni sika e betimi de ahwe san nkwala ono no ka kire ye 2016 se Akufo-Addo ma promise ya kese free SHS meye 1D 1F meye we me teacher allowance na sika no be fa no we nyo na busa so they told Ghanaians and son omu fra Abraham 2016 say na one see the clear ni ho nyame chade ene manya akukoduro be ka se mo ba abemu a first year na mo be yi sika mo di sika na we efi se mo jitu mu se Akufo-Addo aye o ma ni yi mo jitu mu se economy Ghana economy no awie yi mo jitu mu se Akufo-Addo aban aya amasese o ma ni sika wom enam na ne awi aka dompe no akofa bi aba ade abetetare ho enti en modefo ye ma mkwan na mari bio wan de be ma mo sa kwan wonim ya anke ye de ma won ka ye na kwam na busa question bi very simple question ya busa ye no sa se me ma campaign grofo mienu bi ne busa se na ankrane takrade ankrane kumase he na so ba ko so takrade so pa ye ne so answer question o busa ne se Muna mo siese mo ye social democrat. Muna mo gidie ni oman nipa ho yi. Nanso ade bi a ye major intervention pro poor policy bi a wo man mu MPP for na de bai. Wo say me na ntime enye ono san to ma wo say keka bi kire no. Me be keka bi a kire. School feeding program. Ye ko for na de bai. Ye do no aduane man kola di kwa. National health insurance. Ye ko for MPP abana de bai. Wokwa said your kan no danim say kwada wo mtiri ya pa
omo no ewo
omo wie ayi omo wie wasisisi ya omanya ho
omo ne ewo omo kwa no
omo ne ewo omo kwa omo na Akufo de policy ni hye wo mase ya wo omo kwa ene duru omo school kwa so Akufo-Addo so mo ko school kwa na we record we dia na obetimi dia twam eno na chi no ayi a friend say metro bus transita na aguo na ye MPP then he be leap LEAP ye man here for bro sika kakra nto ombotom na me kai that time a ye ru Akufo proposal sa de NDC for say MP ye tiri mo dene adentina ye na ye kochiche sika ma mobro nipa wo omanim ne ye ma wo mkwan mo ma anye wo madwuma ano esuso bai ana adidi mu ana free SHS ya ba beto ana adidi mu ana o ka COVID asem COVID bai the whole wiase o man ben ne asi nsuo mo fa no kwa electricity efa mo fa won wa front liners e di animu nurses ne a doctors ya o mu di animu for 3 months sa consecutively sa pressa won akatua ye bo ho mo ho taxes ye yi free so
okay
COVID bai na nkoda akro ya mo ne mo nya favor mo hwe favor wo mo hoyi dan koda e kotro nsohwe ye wura Akufo-Addo say said ya ne mo maduane ni kwa you were the first NDC babonte say mo pe freebies dodo na we susu ye de hu ni mfaso
they believe in freebies because o me party mo dwene nipa ho dan mo mo nwene nipa ho so mo na ma be sua de free o mo na mo hunu ye na na o twa adwene sisi say mobo since 2000 ye ba bem in the 4th Republican Ghana ye ba ye na sa policies ni ade mama call Genesis kakra now o see constitution and the woman say yes it's true chapter 25 under the directive principle of state policy enti now FQ no has been instituted but hwemuni ade especially here no a woman say yes FQ free compulsory basic education universal basic education na nkoda ni ntimi awofo ni ntimi man koda ni nkopi if you say na one thing was missing
obese ni school atade ode no beko akotena classroom community na kwala na free classroom no aba enti je Akufo and MPP aba ana o se FQ bu ni betumi aye adwuma yie dia yempa bibi mfa mfimfini ho intervention eno ne nkoda na enu aduane mu ni kwa ana no okofa bai enti records is there na wo say after say ye man nkoda na aduane mu didi ko school enrollment quadrupled.
Okay.
Eno na chi no. Eno na chi no.
Na yama alaja bemba alaja beka ko twa wamba.
Me wa me
entwa wamba.
Oh, okay.
Me hang.
You have to.
President Akufo time 2008 na all free SHS no. Now you will draw inspiration from President Akufo say FQ na wa shemu kena no. Na kwala na do so no. Eti na cut off point eye JHS and also there be say sad ya yenya intervention e de beba na cut off point beba be SHS na sika ene ohia ne ade ntimi nsi abofra bia no kwan. Those were the processes. Now how was the progress
so yeba
yeba
oja kwa de ko yeba. Well, Yasaba, Alaji, it was just a few minutes.
Very simple. Oh my, India, Minya, Casameti, share me also.
Oh, somebody who said, "Wash out now,
yes, because me woman, so make us know ye DAT. Na ye ku ye ni mo. E wo say ye bisa ye ho nsensem. But na ha ka kire say ye ma day student. Say woman go school free under John Dramani Mahama. What here catch us say nemba call Wesley Girls omutuai. Inti Wesley Girls no omo kono no omo go school Cape Coast omo pon omo aba ne fie wa ha.
Okade. Okade. Your emphasis was on day.
Day. And no catch us say nemba omo boarding school etuai. I mean it doesn't way yemfa and confusing nipa biom.
Mofa kanibio. Day for no kra mofa kanibi.
And I may say whatever the situation may reference was on day student or no catch or say evidence or one say ne ba no body HI so it contradicts even the premise argument correct me catch on so say
but this is
borders now HI no ye fi aban no mu gusu tuaye na nka ye wa aban mu a ba nhyehyɛ John Dramani Mahama aye no anka by 2017 no ne ma no mu ntua ba mu tuaye till 2018 na omu wie omu suku Anka John Dramani Mahama na was wanka ebedu omuso by the next year no omuso aye. Besides that, NDC for ye can say MPP for there is no way woman ebetimi asore epfiti prekope aka say omo ye blanket free SHS and we have been vindicated. Why? Ufa equiapement declaration of the free SHS kofa tape no bi na bo tape ni TSC when Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, His Excellency the President, was making the equiapment declaration of the free SHS. He was making the declaration as the President of the Republic of Ghana. O kan wie ye no implementation no ade o kan na ne ehu ye. O man fa first year for na start. 20 billion no na ye kan asem no. His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo went to me and fan shift to free SHS I say, and we have been vindicated. You can't win in that hour. Now I feel the old done himself. It is a fact. Say me no who kasa sisi. Say your friend say amaya womu dwene say womu beko munim no mo aye dwumaden no mo nyam sesa manpanyin a obeboa womu to achieve that objective na John Dramani Mahama has distinguished himself. They did America sir. And wo ka say ye ka sikasem ene ne ye keka ho sikasem na ye ka ye no sa mre na ye sa enhyehyeye no na ye sikasem nso ho hyehyeye esan say before ye be free power no wo ba ye ene ya ma ho fango we nya bi aka ho ama wo nya ho mfaso esla ewo ho ama chese ebo wo enyinam kane ho nsensem ye ko Exim Bank ya sign so the attach ama stabilization fund ni de when you na ye nhyehyeye papa John Dramani Mahama aye e de ato wan ne Ghana for nyina enya ho fa so COVID ba ye enye fan we mu nyina ebi na ye kwotete ye sika ene ye de boa o man no but ye koyenim no obi ka kire wo se John Dramani Mahama ne NDC for so omo beye omo benye sika no wahi John Dramani Mahama kire yen on every platform in our manifesto o se ade ba ko no beye a ebe ma sika no kura ban tentem ene ne se obeku eti apro ne kata so say about 150 billion and that's 50 billion ye ko yi every ha ekwo ha na yetimi so ano na ye de ba ebe bo o man no se me ne wuti ha na ye ka se PDS sika no a ene ya hwere no se John Dramani Mahama ba na woteche wom na ote wom na ye gi sika no e de ba as stipulated by the Financial Management Act no ye benya sika na ye de ya sa de ye kan me no wo ekase sika ene ye de ama ejapafo na eduma kura ye ka kire yen say yen start eduma nso ye tuatua bi mu yen tuatua African Legal Associate ne Gabi fo wo legal firm yen tua data bank sika bi a wo mo aye
but law firm providing services
and America no providing service for what? For corruption. And then the special prosecutor Abeka Trent says Jumano from head to toe chrono e bon kan. That is what the special prosecutor no na ye Jumano. And yamina me pass special prosecutor. Nanado dan Akufo-Addo. His Excellency opa no so ma ye nyina ye tiase say papa we amapa no word to word verbatim. Eka kire yen say papa no e de ne ho oginidi ne integrity ye intact. Sa papa no Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo aka said the integrity is intact has told us and we are basing on his integrity now Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo eji to mu aka said the entire Ejapa deal be a chrono kese a ye de aba o man. If that is the case why should they continue to hold the money?
Okay, but point is that I know man yourself from home tikakro.
Denti.
One is about the special prosecutor on Ejapa. He is a man of integrity. He is the best person for the job. But when it's about Airbus, it's an attack. Just pay back. He is a coward. Why do you change colors? Corruption has no colors. When you hold on. If we all want to believe, in any case, the special prosecutor, minimum, only a law on himself because will be say. But the pronouncement on the part of these two personalities, DBI said there, he's the final of finals. It just wakase wo ye kronfo sebi empire okra. It meaning to so ye kronfo. Is that the case? It can be the case. It can never be the case because if we use the same hold on. No, people have done much better investigations and super investigations. All courts across the world. Cases where I court to Tomonima. Now you say the best investigators and the film. I could talk a judge for they realized that it was not the best. So in analyzing some of these things, because a measurement I respect the angle you are coming from, no doubt about that. If we use same measure, that's why we've gotten into our politics. To measure you are you going to raise counter arguments that no, in your case, it was victimization, he was being a coward? Because if I want to juxtapose your argument by saying, okay, Airbus, he did a summary of the findings. So it is the best ever investigation that has been done in this country on Airbus. You'll be found wanting.
You disagree. Summary of the findings based on what? Besides that.
So hold on. The person what the person can say you have raised issues about the Airbus investigation. Perfect. Likewise, they have also raised issues about the Ejapa investigation. The final determinant is the Supreme Court. Is that correct? These are the people who are able to tell us that where they were born is the cry. It will be unfair for anybody or any Ghanaian to sit here and accuse the NDC in this Airbus issue. Likewise, as it stands now, a risk assessment, where people also have the right to defend in court. Those are the determinants of the final issue, that for us to be blaming each other. So when you stand on left, when the right is coming, agree that it is also correct. When you stand on right, when the left is coming, you also have to agree that it is correct. That's simple.
Omahini, in all that you have said, one thing that I understand, say,
yes.
But in all, many will ever say, Mr. Tese, may catch a ma, I have to speak in the language you understand. Correct. So what language do you understand? What language do I understand?
Whatever you have said.
Me making a point. So that we speak in the language that we all understand. The language that the president understands on this issue of corruption, you know. And they say, even without evidence, you know, special prosecutor, investigation on Airbus. That is the language he understands. So if that investigation by that same person and the about outer, you say why I shouldn't speak about it. That is the language the president understands.
No, I respect
that is the language we speak with him. You see, in all,
you see, Kwame, here, I talk about Fnoa. On say Roma jump free HS because a horse. Baby, I be drew Japan. Can I be auntie? Martina Midu. A year quiet and
risk assessment.
Risk assessment. Risk assessment. Come na say me no. Sisi a your bank. Na me baba Jessica wo ho me beje bosia wo ho. You do a profile risk assessment of me. Now what I say ampa ipa no be discount man na obetumi atua na. Your risk assessment now be your me ho no. It does not connote to say me nyani papa o. What do you say? A deal no. A risk assessment. And then you know say yes, but who say aha no say you talk also ye deal na. It seem to be ba. Aha seem to be ba. One criminal investigation. That is where you people are getting it wrong. Remember, Alaji
but president
you NDC people either say Brofuna Montiasie. And now we need them home. And now
president. It's not about risk assessment. We are talking and politics in this government.
On fact, criminal investigation report to Ghana. On your criminal investigation, so or your risk assessment. Risk assessment are a part of due diligence. So by your may it is a way. Then you now nipana or ya dear no. What you are to them say, I had we didn't see a base, I have base, Sana Mihunofa. Until you were right. Say, on your authority unto himself.
Yeah, you can never.
Now, let's go to Airbus.
Leader, are you an authority on yourself? To let us believe what you are saying.
Airbus, a situation, and you're gonna have them, a abruchiri. Anna, the biggest plane manufacturing company. Oma kwa you omuni amano omunu akokot. Ama court to ajia to me say oma default ya fine on $2 billion.
Correct.
And only you mention this Ghana Fodi. Na Ghana Fodi.
You more Ghana Fodi. There's a government official.
Government official. Ghana. Anna Matiami say. And you John Dramani Mahama. Anna Mahama say. Mahama say. John Mahama say John Mahama stupid boy. I don't know who John Mahama stupid. John Mahama say Amidu you stupid. They say John Mahama or say Amidu you stupid.
No, hold on. No,